This AB here is a two-force body. Okay? With a given moment, considering the whole body is in equilibrium, okay? If we're going to draw now its free body diagram for this body, okay? This is a roller, so unsa ato ang direction? Always perpendicular to the surface. So this will be our, let us say, D, no? Sunod. At C, we have a tension force at C, away from the point of intersection. So kana, plus, since this is a two-force body, okay, the line of action of our A and B is always, okay, along the line AB. So, mo na yan direction. But we still do not know if it is going upward or going downward. Okay? Now, considering the body, A, B, ano? Okay, now, if we sum up moment at A, say mahitabo sa ato ang moment at B, it is 0. Diba? Now, kani ato ang moment ay atong reactions at A and B, we can resolve this into its X and Y components. Yung component pa ha, sum up ka og moments. Okay? Patakabalo kung kuan na siya no, upward or downward. And the same with our A. Okay? This will be our B, X. This is our B, Y. And this one is our A, Y. This is our A. And this will be our tension. Okay? With an angle of 30 degrees, kana 30 hapon. So this will be our tension, no? C cosine of 30 degrees. This one is our tension at C sine of 30 degrees. Okay? Now, since this one is a two-force body, okay, if we're going to sum up moment at A or at B, pila kabuok ang anon sa atong ma-eliminate? That is 1, 2, 3, or 4. Okay? Given man nga iyang resultant, no, ang iyang line of action of the reaction at B and A is always along this line. Okay? So, if we sum up moment, okay, at A or at B, let us say, sa A tamag moment has an at is equal to 0, kung sa karon ang atong forces nila ay unknown. Okay? 1 and 2. Diba? Now, our force at B, reaction at B, padulong sa A, that is, sama na siya, counterclockwise, so positive. Counter, sorry. Clockwise di ay. No, D to A. D to A, clockwise function, so negative. Times, pila yung perpendicular distance? Okay. The given mga distances are inclined. So, ato sa din siya i-solve to its kuan, no? Para dali na po makita, ha? Now, ako na lang yun. Okay. So, to solve for these, no? Then, along the x and y axis, ay, naday ko yung nabalaan mo. Pwede dito magamit yung ruler. Demonstrate ang atong linya. Okay. So, anak, dahil daw ni siya. Straight na. Sunod, at C. Okay. Na. At B. Okay, straight. And at A. At A. Straighton. Sunod. Dugay lang siya maabot ko. Na. Ila man ni, given nga 3, 4, 5 ang iyahang direction, ana. This is 150, 3, 4, not 3 o 4, kadi 120 mm. Okay? Kana, 3, 4, 5 mong gyapon, 120 mm gyapon. No? Kana, nabaliktad lang, 150 mong gyapon, no? 3, 4, and 5, that is 120 mm. Kani, distance, okay, ikan diri nga point, padulong diri sa ubos, okay, ug kani padulong po dira sa ubos, okay. Now, you can observe that our point C and A kay tuhod, kaya naman, 3, 4, 5 ang slope kani, 3, 4, 5 gihapon, no? Baliktad sila, so tuhod na sila. 150 pa gid ilahang dimension, no? Silang hypotenuse. So, sunod ka na. Okay. So, kita ha. Three, 4, 5, 150, 120, kani, 90 mm. Kana, 90 mm gihapon. Okay. So, from D to A, pila man atong perpendicular distance? 120 times 3, that is 360. Okay. D to A. Sunod, ang ato ang x component, itong TC cosine of ang padulong sa A, that is, it rotates counterclockwise. So, positive. So, plus TC cosine of 30 degrees times, ilayahang direction, ayahang perpendicular distance, 240. Sunod, kanya to ang y component. This is directly tungod sila. So, 0 ilang perpendicular distance. No? Mura na. No? And then equate to 0. Sunod is our now. Since this is a two force body, if we sum up moment at B again, okay, is equal to 0, kana si AX ug AY 0, si BX ug si BY 0 yapon. Okay? So, ang atong paano moment kani ug kana yapon. So for D to B clockwise, so negative gihapon, no? Clockwise. So, hindi naman na siya negative D times 240 and our tension C padulong sa B counterclockwise. So, plus TC cosine of 30 times, ilang po na yung perpendicular distance? 120. Okay? Sunod, ang atong y component, padulong din ha. Okay? That is, na siya perpendicular distance nga, 90. Counterclockwise yapon. So, plus TC sine of 30 is equal to, times times 90 is equal to 0. Okay? Na-follow? Next. Yes, Miss Ira.
Ay, excuse me, ma'am. Ang 3,000, 36,000 nga yung ma'am badin na ma-fill di ay sa moment sa
Thank you for that observation. I forgot to sum up moment. Okay, we're considering the whole structure. So, kulangan pa dahil ni siya. Ang ato ang moment equations. Okay? So, that is a good. Saan siya? Positive or negative?
Positive, ma'am.
Positive, ma'am.
Okay. Positive siya. Kay counterclockwise na. Asa man nato siya idugang? At A
Sa
or
A, ma'am.
at A? Anong at A man? Magsakap pag moment at A.
A man ang moment ang given, ma'am.
At A ang given. No? So, it is given naa siya sa member AB. Okay? Now, if we're going to sum up moment at B, okay, ang moment is after the siya ani nga point, no, from this our body. Pero if at A na to i-sum up ang moment, it is still included kay part siya. Yun ha. So at A, i-include na to ni si kuan na to ato ang moment, no? So let's erase this. So summing up moment at A, that includes our applied force or applied couple at this AB here. So plus kay counterclockwise man. So 36,000 Newton. Ay tama. 3 to 0. Pila ka ang atong unknown? 1 ug 2. Diba? Dire 1 and 2. Same na sila. So by pwede nato siya mausa, no, ma-simplify, and then this will be, no, kani siya itong equation 1. We can simplify it as, hindi naman na siya kung ma-simplify na. Pwede na in decimal or kung ano. Ha? That is, in terms of the unknown D, no, pwede na ito ma-simplify ang ato ang equation as ND or our sorry, this unknown D transpose na to dito, making this positive, so napigin kay 0.5774 tension C plus, no, divide na to, mabigay 100 na lang. And then, this will be your equation number 1. Sunod, from this equation, okay, simplify na to as T is equal to, no, in terms of our unknown TC is equal to 0.605 C. Okay? So, if ato na siya this is our equation number 2. Substitute 2 to 1, okay? 0.605 TC is equal to 0.5774 TC plus 100. Your tension C is equal to 2320. Okay? Nakadecimal siya, but if you're going to store lang, no, para hindi ito maka-round off, 2320 newtons. Okay? Careful Newton meter, Newton mm ang ato ang moment given. So, dapat Newton mm, Newton mm. And then, for your D, substitute na sa nato dito is equal to 1440 newtons. That is for the unknown. No, sa ato ang D o ato ang C. Now, since na naman tayo kuan, no, given naman such that if we are going to resolve this kani, no, sa ato ang kani nga member PCP. So, ang ato free body diagram na lang ana would be ang ani, no? So, for your now, for your member BCD, okay? BCD. We can say that since this is a two-force body, Bx is equal to Ax and By is equal to Ay. Okay? Two-force body man siya. Alright? Now, for member BCD, only ato ang free body diagram. No? Nakuha na nato ato normal force or kanitong reaction at D and the tension at C. No, this is our tension C. So, to get this, no, ato ang reaction at B, which is equivalent to the reaction at A, this is our Bx and our By. Okay. Summing up forces along X is equal to 0. So, sa mga horizontal forces, that is our reaction at B going to the right minus ang ato ang TC cosine of 30 degrees, which is ang atong TC is equal to 2320. No? And then lastly, your Bx plus Bx. And then equate to 0, makuha na to Bx is equal to ila. Bx will be equal to
570, ma'am.
570, 570 newtons. Okay? Going to the right. Positive ba na ito makuha? Sunod, summing up forces along y is equal to 0 at sa mga vertical. So, negative TC sine of 30 plus dy is equal to 0. Mora man, di ba? Mora siya. So, therefore, dy, what naman tayo TC, that is dy is equal to 1160 newtons. So, yung direction, pa-taka. Okay? Going upward. So, kung makuha na to si Bx and si By, solve for the magnitude and its direction, makuha na yung reaction. Questions? Thumbs up if nakasunod, nakakuha ani. Kaya nag-submit. Wala. Duwa ra ka buok. Si Aguilar ra o si Doria. Pareho ba mag-answer? Okay, ako rin chikan ha. Yes, Miss Francisco. Ay, Mr. Francisco, sorry.
Ma'am, asa pagalagay kuha ang 120 mm, ma'am?
Sa ato ang direction or sa ato ang 345. Okay, given mo na siya 345 ang slope niya. Number 150 ha. So 3 no? Ana. Opposite, adjacent, equivalent, 120. 24. 345 magyapon. Kana 345. Ito tag direct dimensions along vertical or horizontal. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Question? How about the others? Kasi pa itong lain nagpataas gani. Wala na. Okay. Duha ra nag-submit. Sila ra kung graduan ani. Remember, recorded ba yan nga seat work ha? Di ni sa for bonus lang. Okay, so duha ra kabuk ang akong chikan for the seat work. If there are no more questions, nakaway ka mukha na. Anyone? Thumbs up di if nakakuha ani nga problem. Okay. So for the other solution, pretty rasad, no? Given that this is kani ato ang member BCD is a three-force body and kani ato ang member AB is a two-force body. Okay? Kana ato na i-elongate dito kung aha sila mag-intersect with each other. Okay? So kana given man ang ato ang direction, so maka-identify sa aha na siya mag-intersect. Okay, sorry for that class. Hanapang ako laptop. But it's already overtime po, no? So, sige. Basta kay, you can solve that problem using the other solution. Okay, wherein you can extend as a line of action and then determine the interior angles with the use of the direction of the angles and then law of sines. Given na kumakuha ni mo tanan ang interior angles no, sa imong triangle since it is considered a three-fourths body, pwede dayon natin na siya no? Pwede ra din ta mag law of sines. Okay? Makuha man nato ni siya na point dira, di ba? And also, kung aha po na siya nag-intersect. Okay? So, given na siya nga three-fourths body and since, okay, kani nga problem is in equilibrium, it is expected that these three forces at BCD will intersect at the same point. So, makuha na to ilahang mga directions, especially kani ato ang three-fourths body, ato ang reaction at B. No? Namantay angle, di ba? 3, 4, 5. So, makuha na to na siya nga kanipon na angle, di ba? Makuha na to na siya. That is tangent of opposite, which is 4/3. No? So, makuha na to na siya nga angle. So, kung makuha na to na siya nga angle, makuha sa dato ni na atong mga directions sa tungkuan and then given man ato ang magkuha taada, no? Kani sa angle. So, makakatag reaction through the applied na to mga couple. Okay? So, that would be all for today. And then, next meeting na to, face-to-face man no. We will have our quiz Friday, 5:30 to 7, within sa building 5. Any questions, clarifications? Wala na? Yes, Miss Ira?
Ma'am, pwede na mag-submit, ma'am, o kanang wala na human, ma'am.
Sa?
Dili na.
Inyong secure?
Yes, ma'am.
Wala man na human. Sige. Okay. Sige, ako lang yapon na og graduhan kung naay mo apas og submit, ako lang yapon graduhan pero minus na ha. Katuron duwa ra nga napa-submit on time, mora tong walay deduction. Okay? Sige, so I think it's 10 minutes na yun ng overtime. Yes, Miss Aligumba, nagpapangutan na. Good, din sa di makakanta ang mga late karon kay na overtime sometimes at that time. Sige, kinsay late
Ma'am.
pataas ka mo.
Saligumba, ma'am.
Late sa Ligumba.
Asebo, ma'am.
Asebo late.
Martinez, ma'am.
Martinez. Sigolis.
Golis.
Aura? Okay, sige. Sa face-to-face meeting, ipakanta na ito ng late karon before ta mag-class. Yes, Mr. Doria.
Ay, ma'am. Kanang, pwede maka-ask, ma'am, sa topics sa Friday, ma'am.
Dito ro taman sa chapter 2 ug chapter 3 lagi. Topic 4 to 8. And katong imong query sa ato ang group chat sa face-to-face na na-schedule pang submit yaro mausa na yung query.
Sige. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Bye-bye, everyone. Napapangutan na, Mr. Aguilar?
Ay ma'am sa quiz ma'am dawat ra ka og solution nga gikuan ra ma'am ang vectors nga cross product kay Icaldec.
Icaltech nimo?
Yes ma'am, may butang siya sa vectors dito sa
What is important? Ang pagbuhat of equilibrium equations. Yan na.
Thank you.
Importante. And then kung mag-caltech mo, problema. Okay. Sige. Bye-bye.
Thank you, ma'am. Goodbye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.